Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're good and welcome to our channel Take 9N. And in this video today, I'm going to tell you how to enable fingerprint security in our laptop. Okay, and for this, you should have the fingerprint scanner on your laptop. Like we secure our mobile phone with fingerprint, in the same way we can secure our laptop with the fingerprint scanner. Okay. And please watch this video till the end, and also please like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's get into the topic. And for this we need to go to start and then settings, and there we have accounts. Just click on it, and then we have sign in options. Go there. Okay, and you can see the various signing options. Yeah, there we have Windows Hello Fingerprint also. As you click on it, you must add a password before you can use the sign in option. Okay, we have to add a password first, and there we have password. First we need to set up a password. Click on add. Okay, I'm going to create a new password, and this gonna be whatever. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, here's the hint for my password. Next, finish. Okay, now I can set up the fingerprint. Okay, Windows Hello Fingerprint, and there, setup. Click on setup and get started. Okay, and now I need to swipe down my finger on the fingerprint scanner. Okay, and I have to do this continuously for 4 to 5 times. Okay, just I need to swipe down my finger on the fingerprint scanner. Great, keep swiping. Okay, I need to swipe it again. Okay, and it is again asking for me to add a pin. Okay, for this, and this pin will work as a backup for your fingerprint security, and you must remember this pin as well. First you need to enter the password, and then you have to set up the pin, and the password is the previous that we set earlier, and then confirm the pin again. This pin is the backup for your Windows fingerprint security, and in this way we can add another password also, sorry, the fingerprint password also. So in this way we can set up fingerprint security on our system. Okay, and if still there you have some confusion, please comment. I'll try to make it clear. And friend, this was for today. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.